Detail World, YouTube. Good morning. How y'all doing? We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee, near Belmont. We about to do this Ford Escape right here. This is gonna be your basic on it, nothing crazy. Like I said, in the next few weeks we will be doing a lot more whack jobs and springs coming up. But like I said, we just gonna go ahead and knock out this interior real quick. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick vacuum. Nothing much. You know, I don't think she have any kids, so it's not really that much debris. Just a lot of debris, you know, from where she sit at, or if she have any, you know, traffic. You know, cup holders in this area are always gonna be dirty. This always gonna be dusty, stuff like that. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. You see a little dirt over there in them cracks and crevices, but man, other than that, man, we gonna do what we do best. Overall, the car pretty clean. If you look at the, pretty dirty. If you look at the wheels, you got a little brake dust. See how heavy that brake dust is right there. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that dust come up, get that nice and cracking. But other than that, it's a beautiful day. You see, today the sun's out a little bit more. You know, a little cloudy still, but there she go. But we solo load on the day. Rennie has some things to take care of. We got all the equipment out. We're gonna start on the interior first, then we're gonna watch the exterior. Luckily, my next appointment is literally like 3 houses down. We're gonna go do that, knock that out. Next appointment about 10 minutes away. And then the appointment from the third appointment is 5 minutes away. Then we done. Kids, no school today, so do some things with them. But other than that, like I say, YouTube Detail World, about to knock out this Ford Escape. Give it just a maintenance clean, an interior cleaning, a good exterior cleaning, and that'll be it. And we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. I'll give y'all one more look at the car. And we'll see y'all in a second, man. Peace. Alright, YouTube. We just finished this Ford Escape, man. The car came out fantastic. We did a wonderful job on it. You know what I mean? I talk in third person line, say we when it's just me. But I've been doing that forever. I actually call myself TY. But yeah, other than that, we just getting it in. Car came out swell in the inside. Like I said, it didn't really take too much to get it going. But like I say, everything overall, the car came out fantastic. Got all the dust and stuff that was on the dashboard. The cup holder and everything came out swell, wiped all that out. But other than that, man, we just headed to the next stop, like I said, which is down the street, not too far from here. Like I said, we just had to do a basic exterior cleaning and a basic interior cleaning. But have to get it in, like I say, grill all nice and clean. Just showing you both sides of the car. But we finna head to the next stop. Alright, Detail World. We made it to the second stop. Like I said, it was right down the street. The sun seemed like it's trying to come out. That's a good thing. But we about to go ahead and do this Chevy Suburban High Country. Look a little dirty inside because they got small kids. But like I said, it's nothing that's not going to take too long. Just make it 11 o'clock. I probably won't be done with this car till about 12:15. So I'm going to go ahead and get it cracking. Like I said, I don't have Rennie here today. So me having to get in here myself and vacuum takes a little bit more time for me doing what I usually do. But yeah, I didn't fix my camera yesterday. I had other things to do. But I'm definitely gonna make sure I do that today because I hate the way this lighting is transitioning. You see how bright my hand is, and then yeah, I don't like that. But yeah, man, we're gonna get it in. See, from letting the rain or whatever away something inside the door is dirty. But we're gonna get it cracking, man. YouTube, you know what I mean? My people out here watching, my fellow detailers and everything. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get this Chevy High Country done. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, YouTube Detail World. We just finished this Chevy Suburban High Country right now. Like I said, we just was a basic maintenance clean, nothing too major. It was a little dirty in the inside, but like I say, nothing I take it. It was dog hair all caked up on the back of here. But like I said, everything came out well. Everything came out well. Seats, everything. Skyline, TVs. So yeah, like I said, we just finished this right here. We about to head to the next stop, which is probably about 10 minutes from here. I gotta do 2 cars there, and then I got 1 more stop after that. Other than that, man, y'all stay blessed up, man. Don't stress nothing, man, because once you start stressing it, it goes over your head. But hit that subscribe button, leave them likes, leave them comments, share this video, do what y'all gotta do, because we're gonna continue to do what we gotta do. Peace out. Alright, YouTube, Detail World. We made it out here to this 3rd stop. It's just this Chevy Suburban. We're gonna have to do a full detail on the inside, man. It's probably my 2nd time doing that car. Like I was just on the phone with somebody explaining something like, even with these cars, you know. Like most time y'all hear me say it's a basic or a maintenance, but how that goes when I say a maintenance wash is when you accustomed to dealing with for years, when you constantly getting your car clean like once or twice a month. That's the maintenance wash. Help me keep the car intact to the point where I don't have to do a lot of deep cleaning and things of that nature. But see, they haven't done their car in a while. So when you look at that, and then I go to charge them and let them know how much it is, you know, they have to understand the price, because you know it's dirt all up in there. It's like it's dirt everywhere. The whole car is just completely dirty. So it's gonna take me a little while to do it. I doubt if I'll be able to do the Range Rover today. She wants 2 cars done, but the way this car looks, it's definitely gonna take me a little bit longer to do this car. I didn't know it was gonna be this dirty, but I'll probably schedule her Sunday for her Range Rover or whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, man, get this cracking, man. Do what I do best, you know, always great at what we do. If you look at all this dog hair, stuff like that. So we about to go ahead and start. And you know what I mean? I want you to start hitting that subscribe button. Start leaving the comment, man. Like, share. Do what y'all gotta do, man. You know what I mean? Because we gonna keep coming. I'm gonna keep saying it. We gonna just, you know, it's gonna get on your nerve when you constantly keep saying it. But turn on the notifications, man. Do what you gotta do. And like I said, we about to knock out this Chevy Suburban. And I'll catch y'all when I'm finished. Alright, YouTube, man, it took me a little bit of time to do this car. It's actually 3 o'clock. I think I got here about 12. So it took me about 3 hours to do this car. Like I said, it was a little bit dirtier than usual. Yes, the car looks slanted because we on the hill. But yeah, we finished the whole inside, man. It was a little job, man, but we got it completely done. I'm running behind. I'm supposed to be at my last stop around 2 o'clock. But man, the inside of this car came out phenomenal. I'm hoping she's going to be overly satisfied, because I'm definitely happy with the results of what the car came out. Remember, it had dog hair everywhere, stuff, debris, things of that nature. But yeah, man, we finally got it done. I'm done out here in Green Hills. Got 1 more stop to do, and then I'm done here, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next stop. All right, YouTube, we done made it to this 4th appointment. We doing this BMW right here. I already finished this part because, like I say, sometimes I get in rhythm and be forgetting to pull out this camera because I'm not really accustomed to it, but I'm getting accustomed to it. Y'all see me every day, got the vlog going. But yeah, I already started on this side. As you can notice, this door is completely clean, completely vacuumed up and everything over here. Back of the seats wiped down, even over here, completely vacuumed. Completely vacuumed, but I haven't did the cup holders, nothing like that. And if you look over there, it's still dirty. So we definitely finna finish the interior of this car. And after we done with the interior, we'll definitely let you see the end results. And then we're gonna work on this exterior of the car. Just gotta do the exterior. If you look at the wheels, it's been pretty dirty. They've been getting some additions built on their house, so I haven't done their car in a while. But we back at it. That Suburban, they had another appointment for me. Another car to do, but she was gone, and it took me a little bit more time to do the car. But like I said, we're actually on this side, got the vacuum and everything out. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. You see it's a little bit dirty, a lot of debris, sticks, dog hair, things of that nature. Even on this side, you know what I mean? Same thing if you look down there. Dog hair, sticks, brick sticks, and all things like that. But always, man, I'm straight committed to the process. I'm definitely knock this out. She got 1 more car here for me. I'm gonna try to knock this out in a fashionable manner so I can do that car, and then I'll be done for the day. But until then, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, YouTube, we finally finished this Mercedes-Benz GL450. That's the model of the car. But we done right here, man. We just did the whole interior of the car. Completely came out clean. If you remember what it looked like I said in all videos, it had debris and dog hair and chips and crackers and nuts and peanuts and stuff like that everywhere. The doors was all dirty, but man, we finally finished here. She should be super happy with the work. I don't know really much more to say. This is my last stop. Like I said, I had one more to do here, but I doubt if I'll be able to get to it because I need to run. I have to go pay some things real quick. I need to try to catch my bank before my bank closed. Well, my bank is closed. They close at 4:30, 5 o'clock. So, I guess I'm finished for the day. About to head home. We got a semi-busy day tomorrow, so we'll have some more content for tomorrow. And I'll catch up with y'all later, man. Peace.